To access your usage statistics as an account administrator, first sign in to your Oxford Academic account. Select Institutional Account Management, Sign in as Administrator. After you sign in, select Usage Statistics from the menu of available options. This will take you to the Usage Portal's Executive Dashboard. Your account name will appear at the top of the Executive Dashboard, and if you manage multiple accounts, you can toggle between them by clicking on the Account menu in the upper right corner. Clicking the Account menu will also direct you to your Sushi credentials by selecting Counter API, where you will find your customer ID and your requester ID. By default, the main dashboard contains graphs on requests by month, platform usage, top books, top journals, and top articles, but reports can be pulled at the top of the executive dashboard. All available usage reports can be found in the main support bar. Counter 5.1 contains counter-compliant master reports, which can be dynamically filtered and changed, while Counter Standard 5.1 contains reports that are pre-configured to the Counter standard and cannot be dynamically changed. Hovering over any report will give you a brief description. OUP Reports contains the bespoke reports that OUP provides called book requests or denials by named collection, wherein the named collection would be something like Oxford Scholarship Online or Oxford Handbooks Online. These custom reports allow you to easily see usage from the products that you have purchased. OUP Legacy contains both the Counter and bespoke OUP reports for the Counter 5.0 standard. To run a report, first enter the date range of the data that you would like to see. Then select the report you would like from the menu above. For example, under Counter Standard 5.1, we could run a TRJ2 Journal Access Denied report. The report will appear below with a number of options on the right-hand side for you to search within the results or to toggle the view to make it easier to read. To download the report, simply select the icon on the far right to either export as a CSV or export as a TSV. You then will have the report in an Excel spreadsheet that you can format and save as you need.